Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to master Ideogram.ai's prompting for perfect letter clarity, step by step. Let's get started. First, head over to Ideogram.ai and log in to your account. Then, if you're new, you can sign up. It's for free to start. And once inside, you'll see a prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Type exactly what you want. You need to be clear, detailed, and specific. To get a sharp letters, always describe your idea fully. Mention the exact words, font style, and readability. Avoid vague terms like nice text. Instead, say something like a bold white capital, letters perfectly centered, and no distortions. Then here you can scroll down to explore the settings like the aspect ratio, turbo mode for faster result, the character style, or the color themes. These small tweaks can make your text pop. And once you're happy, click generate and wait a few seconds for the Ideogram AI to work its magic. And you'll see the text come out in a clean and crisp. And that's how you get a perfect letters in Ideogram AI. Clear prompts, specific details, and smart settings. Try today and watch your AI text art go from blurry to brilliant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.